how to repeat the same table headers in another page in your Microsoft Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's get started. Open up your Word document. And here you can see the headers are serial number, name, and address. And while you go to the second page, you want the same headers. And what you need to do is just right click anywhere on the table. And then you need to go to table properties. Then go to row. And then you'll need to toggle on repeat as header row at the top of every page. And then once you do that, the same table headers will be repeated every time you go to the next page. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.